HoneyBook proposal is your all-in-one booking file that includes a list of services, prices, and a payment schedule, as well as a contract for your client to sign. When you send a proposal, your client can review your prices, make their payments online, and sign their contract directly from their computer or mobile device. To send a proposal, you'll need to start with a project. You can navigate to an existing project, or create a new one by clicking the New button, then New Project. In this tutorial, we'll just start with a new project. Enter the project title and type, and fill in any other details that you have. Click Next. Then you'll be prompted to add a participant to the project. The participant is the contact who receives all the files and other communication you send through HoneyBook, so this will likely be your client. Once you've filled in all the contact info that you have, click Add. Now that you've created your project, you can start your proposal. Click New File and select Proposal. You can choose to start fresh with a blank file, work off of one you used recently, or start with a template that you created in advance. If you start with a recent file or a template, feel free to edit away, as the original files won't be affected. In this video, we'll start from scratch with a blank proposal. Start by reviewing your header. You can update the proposal name, header title and subtitle, background image, and of course your company logo. Now start adding in your services. Begin by clicking Add New Item. You can choose from any package templates, collections of items grouped together, that you've already created. Select from a list of recently used items, or create a brand new item by typing in the name, clicking the Add button, and editing the details. Remember that almost everything you see here is customizable. You can add images, rename items, edit descriptions, update the quantities or units, and of course, change the prices. Items can be dragged and dropped, or deleted, and you can check the tax box on specific items if you need. Once your list of services is complete, scroll on down to the Totals section. Here, you can provide a discount, or click on the tax rate field to adjust that amount. Everything will automatically recalculate in the new grand total. Now, scroll down to the Payment Plan section to edit your payment schedule. Click Add Another Payment to build your plan out further, or use the trash can icon to delete. Within each payment, feel free to adjust the amounts by dividing the payment equally, by percentages, or by choosing a custom amount for each. You can also choose when the payment should occur, using dates like the invoice or project date, a fixed date or midway point, or a custom date of your choice. You can also click the File Drawer tab to edit your payment options further. You can allow your clients to add gratuity, choose how they can make their payment, turn autopay on or off, and set a date for the file to expire. Scroll down to the Contract section to complete the final piece of your proposal. You can edit the text right in the body of the file, or select a different contract template you've created. The Field Options button in your toolbar lets you insert fields that can either autofill directly from your project information, or require you or your client to enter information before sending. There's a lot you can do with these fields, so be sure to check out our video or article on contract fields for the full rundown. When you're ready, click Review Email. Here you can customize the email that auto-populates, or choose from your list of email templates. The proposal will automatically be attached, but you can also include more attachments if you'd like. Click Send, and that's it. Your proposal will be on its way to your client.